This African village story is more than entertainment. It is proof of how artificial intelligence and modern tech can transform ideas into powerful visual communication.
A single thread breaks, but woven together, we are an unbreakable rope.
We dig together, or we thirst alone. Water! It's here! We finally have water!
This village lived by one rule: what you share keeps you alive.
Why should my hands be empty while others overlay?
Greed eats faster than hunger. Take only what is yours.
Just this once, no one will notice. In silence, he betrayed every hand that trusted him. Our harvest is gone. How will we survive? The drought has taken everything.
We must find a way.
I gained food but lost my peace. I was greedy. I stole from us all. Forgive me.
We punish greed, but we heal with unity.
Village divided will fall, but a village united will always rise.
Yes, we rise!
United, we are strong!
At WebTech 24R, we advocate the responsible use of AI and technology to inform, educate, and connect the world.